Cancer. If this message reached you, pause for a second. Breathe. Because this is not random scrolling. This is alignment. You have been carrying something heavy in your heart. You have been asking for a sign. Not loudly, not dramatically, but sincerely. And this reading is showing how your prayers are being answered in layers. The first card opening your energy is the High Priestess. This card shows that before anything changes outside, something has already shifted inside you. Your intuition has become stronger. You are sensing things before they happen. You are reading people without them speaking. That is not imagination. That is growth. You may have been doubting your instincts recently, wondering if you are overthinking. But this card says you were right. The quiet feeling in your stomach, the subtle pull toward or away from someone, that was guidance. Cancer, you are not confused. You are just sensitive to energy. In the next 7 to 14 days, you may receive hidden information. Something that confirms what you already felt, a truth revealed, a secret exposed, or a sudden clarity about someone's intentions. When it happens, do not act immediately. Observe first. Practically, this is a time to journal, meditate, reduce noise. Your power right now is silence. Do not overshare your plans. Keep some things private. Your prayers are being answered quietly before they become visible. The second card is the Ten of Wands. You have been carrying too much, emotionally, mentally, maybe even financially. You are the one everyone depends on, the strong one, the understanding one. But inside, you have been tired. This card shows burnout. Not weakness, just exhaustion from doing everything alone. You may have been saying yes when you wanted to say no, holding responsibilities that are not fully yours. Within the next 2 to 3 weeks, something will shift where you are forced to drop one burden. Either a responsibility ends, a situation closes, or you finally set a boundary. At first, it may feel uncomfortable, but it will free you. Spirit is answering your prayer for relief. But relief sometimes comes through endings. Let yourself put something down. You do not need to carry everything. The third card is the Knight of Cups. Someone is thinking about you emotionally, or you are about to receive a heartfelt message. This is romantic or emotional communication energy. If single, someone may approach you who speaks gently, expresses feelings, and seems sincere. This could show up within 3 to 4 weeks. Pay attention to how they make you feel. Calm or anxious? Your body will tell you. If in a relationship, a deeper emotional conversation is coming. Something unspoken will finally be expressed. Tears may be involved, but healing follows. Practically, be open but grounded. Do not romanticize too fast. Let actions match words. Your prayer for emotional connection is being answered, but you must stay balanced. The fourth card is the Page of Pentacles. New opportunity in practical life. This could be job-related, study-related, business idea, or financial improvement. This is small at first, not huge, not dramatic, but solid. You may receive an offer, an idea, or inspiration to learn something new within the next month. Spirit is saying, do not ignore small beginnings. The seed may look small, but it grows strong. Invest time. Take it seriously. Your prayer for stability is not coming as a miracle. It is coming as an opportunity that requires effort. Say yes to growth. Cancer. The next card coming forward is the Death card. Do not fear this. This is transformation, a deep ending. Not small, not temporary. Something in your life is finishing fully so a new chapter can begin without old baggage. This may connect to an old emotional attachment, a job that drained you, a pattern of overgiving. Within the next 4 to 6 weeks, you will see clear closure. Not confusion, not maybe. Clear ending energy. Emotionally, this feels heavy at first, but right after, you feel lighter, like you can breathe again. You have outgrown something. Your prayer for change is being answered through release. Practically, do not resist what is naturally fading. If communication slows, let it. If your heart feels done, trust it. This ending creates space for something healthier. The next card is the Ace of Pentacles. New foundation, real opportunity. This is money, work, or long-term stability entering your life. After that ending energy, something solid appears. This could be a job offer, financial increase, business start, or even moving to a better environment. Expect movement between the second and fifth week from now. Emotionally, this brings relief. You start feeling secure again, less anxious about the future. Spirit is saying your prayer for stability was heard, but it needed space first. Now the seed is being placed in your hands. What you do with it matters. The next card is the Strength card. Cancer, you are stronger than you think. Not loud strength, quiet strength, emotional control, patience, self-respect. You may be tested soon. Someone may try to trigger you, or a situation may push your limits. This test comes around the third week from now. The difference is, you will not react the old way. You will stay calm. That calm response changes everything. Practically, focus on discipline. Sleep well, eat well, protect your energy. You are building inner stability, not just outer change. The next card is the Three of Cups. Celebration, support, happy news. This comes after the heavy transformation. Within 6 to 8 weeks, you may attend a gathering, celebration, or receive joyful news. It may involve friends, family, or community. Emotionally, you start smiling again naturally. Not forced. You feel lighter around people. Spirit is showing that happiness is not gone from your life. It was just delayed. Joy returns in social form. The final card closing your reading is the Chariot. Movement, progress, forward direction. Cancer energy ruling this card makes it even stronger. You are no longer stuck. By the end of this cycle, you will feel momentum. You will know where you are going. This may involve travel, relocation, new career direction, or emotional independence. But it is movement with confidence. Your prayer was not just about fixing one problem. It was about changing your direction. And that direction shift is now happening. Cancer affirmation for you: I release what is finished. I accept new foundations. I stay calm in tests. I welcome joy back into my life. I move forward with confidence. If you want a personal reading focused only on your love life, career, or one clear situation, sessions start at $9. If you want deeper ongoing guidance with unlimited questions, the $99 monthly membership is open. Cancer, this is not random change. This is redirection towards something stronger.